Hunting season is almost here, knocking at our doors for us to go out in the range and hunt some big games. And yeah, we understand how serious and picky experienced hunters are about their hunting gear and gadgets. Thus, after going through some extensive research and compiling our past experiences, we've picked some effective hunting gear to boost up anyone's hunting trip. So lean back, relax, and enjoy our video on some incredible hunting gear every hunter should own.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
Starting with the Vortex Optics Crossfire HD 1400, because we know how everyone wants the preciseness to land each shot on the target. This zero-fuss laser rangefinder comes with a 1400-yard maximum range, while its HD optical system will keep things clear, regardless of any specific landscape. In addition, a 21mm objective lens and 5x magnification makes this rangefinder more practical for a more extended range, while its precise information on your prey will never let you miss a shot. Not getting enough light? No worries, as its red TOLED display is specially optimized for low light, so users don't struggle during such scenarios. Okay, a rangefinder indeed will measure your target for you, but this Elite 4500 from Bushnell will help you hit the bullseye. Coming in different models, this Riflescope can make anyone's mid to long-range target acquisition easier. Feature-like extended eye relief offers a bigger eye box, while its smooth and precise focus control will make it more intuitive. Rugged, lightweight construction makes it withstand the recoil of bigger magnums, but it doesn't make that gun bulkier. And what we liked about it is how its ultra-lightweight band coating increased its low-light performance, making your target visible even in dusk and dawn lights. Oh, worried about adverse weather conditions? We don't think you'll need to, as it has an exclusive exo-barrier protection as a permanent water repellent and a rating of IPX7. Benchmade Saddle Mountain Skinner, a versatile and practical hunting knife to process your game. We think most of us can agree on the fact that a hunting knife is among the most essential items for hunters, right? So choosing a well-capable one is vital, and in terms of that, this Saddle Mountain Skinner meets that criteria with a premium CPN S90V steel, and combining such a blade with its Select Edge technology, this tool will effortlessly process any small or big game after a successful hunt. But that isn't all, as this knife also includes an ergonomic G10 handle to keep its user's hands stable no matter how sloppy things get. A hunting backpack may carry your processed hunt, but this hog crawler makes that procedure even easier. Just like its name refers, Crawler is a cart that literally crawls through any challenging terrain carrying any big game. As a result, that hunting trip becomes even more relaxed, as no one has to carry a big bulky backpack causing back pain. Its patent-pending dual rotating axles allow this cart to crawl over anything, while its all-terrain tires stabilize it while hauling. In addition, its 500-pound load capacity makes it even more reliable, whether users want to carry an elk, a deer, or whatever they're hunting. Finally, its folding frame and handle help to keep it compact when not being used, maintaining the user's low profile during a hunt. This is the Summit Viper Level Pro SD, a well-capable tree stand to elevate anyone's hunting season. Of course, we all know how a tree stand is a game changer for hunters, as it can keep them elevated and unseen from the ground level. But unlike most other tree stands in the market, Viper Level Pro uses innovative technology like Easy Level Dial. which lets its users adjust as perfectly as needed. So the struggles with leveling the tree stand get eliminated, leaving users with zero hassle. So always be prepared for your prey with this Summit Viper Level Pro SD. Next, we have this LINK-MICRO-LTE from SPYPOINT, a practical one to track your target's movement from a safe distance. Now, what makes it stand out among the others is this one can be connected to a reliable LTE cellular network. As a result, users can have the freedom of unlimited free photo transmission through the network. Moreover, featuring a 10-megapixel camera subtly hidden inside of a compact chassis, this one can be concealed quite easily. At the same time, its 0.5 seconds of trigger speed won't let its users feel any delay. Infrared illumination, 80 feet of flash, and detection range makes it a reliable choice to keep a keen eye on a nocturnal prey. As a hunter, if you're planning on hunting from a tree stand, this Summit Pro harness is another essential for your safety. First thing everyone will love is its 8-foot lineman rope, which is strong enough to prevent any accidental fall, while its high-performance tether will effectively absorb any shock. Military-inspired mole system will allow its users to carry more accessories, and the addition of quick-lock buckles obviously made it more compatible. Still, having second thoughts just because you're a big guy? No worries, as this can hold up to 300 pounds, which its padded shoulder straps will prevent you from getting hurt. Here's the Scent Zero, an odorless insect repellent from Ready Ranger to keep those pesky bugs away from hunters. Let's face it, as a hunter, we all have been in that situation, quietly waiting for prey to come and getting bitten by mosquitoes or other bugs. Scent Zero will effectively prevent that, and as its name suggests, it's an odorless spray, which won't bust out wild animals. Available in 2 different models, Picaridin 1 can be used anywhere without harming your skin. On the other hand, Permethrin 1 can be sprayed on any hunting clothes and it'll protect the hunter for up to 40 days. So that was our list of some incredible hunting gear every hunter should own. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, and please share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.